Dear students, we are discussion in the last session or last class, the ninth first lesson, the enchanted book. Today, I would like to continue the part 2 or second, continue the next paragraph, the enchanted book. Dear students, already you have to now, in this lesson, to describe the forest life of Pandavas. In the last day or last day of the time, the Yaksha was saved them in the Kauravas. But those who are forgettable for our forest life or exile life and started for the disguise life. In the last 13 years, all the Pandavas lost everything in the game of the dice to the Kauravas. After the defeat of the game, the Pandavas lived in the 10 years in the forest life and 13th year disguise life. Disguise means Adhyatavasa. Suppose this disguise life, if any one person who can identify who this is or this person is a Pandava, again continue to be 12 years forest life and again 1 year the disguise. Come, let us, dear students, the next paragraph or second paragraph. Already sun was hot. All the Pandavas to pursue the deep, enter the deep forest. Those who are tired and very thirsty, suddenly those who are sank down under the biggest tree. The elder brother of the Pandavas of Yudhishthira said to his brother Nakula, climb that tree to search a water or river nearby. But immediately the Nakula climbed the tree, looked at around the forest to search the water and said to his brother, I saw the water plant. I saw the water plant nearby. Certainly I goes to that place to bring the water and cure the thirst and tired. Next continues. Yudhishthira sent him to fetch some water to drink. ನೋಡಿದ ನಗಲ ದುಡ್ಡದ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮರ ಹತ್ತಿದ ಇಡೀ ಸುತ್ತಲಿಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ Nakula was searched for a water around the forest. At a little distance, he saw the water plant. At a little distance, he saw the water plant and he said to his brother, at a little distance, I saw the water plant. Immediately I goes that place. Immediately I goes that place to drink the water and cure our thirst. Immediately, suddenly, the Yudhishthira sent to Nakula to bring the water. Nakula was not argue for his elder brother. Immediately he goes to the near the food. Then another incident to the Nakula. Yudhishthira sent him to fetch some water to drink. Nakula was glad, very happy when he saw the water nearby the food. Very happy, when he was very happy because he was very thirsty and he was very tired. When he was very joyful when he saw the water. When he got the place and saw there was a food, he was very thirsty himself and so thought for quenching his thirst first before taking water in the quar for his brothers. When he was very happy, when he saw the food or when he saw the water, because he was very thirsty, immediately he think, first I drink the water. First he think, I drink the water and cure my thirst. After bring the water, our brothers. When he thought, always that common man, all the common man has think to themselves. As said Nakula, when he went to the nearest pool and saw the water, and he was very happy and joyful, and he was thought, first I drink the water, cure my thirst. After bring the water to our brothers. He was very thirsty himself, and so Billy fats means drink. To bring. He was very thirsty, glad. Once again, glad, very happy. He saw very thirsty himself and so thought for a quenching his thirst first. Quenching. Quench means satisfy thirst by drinking something. Satisfy. Satisfy. Satisfy thirst. Quenching its thirst. ಮೊದಲು ತಾನು ನೀರು ಕುಡಿದು ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಪಟ್ಕೊಂಡು quenching its thirst first before taking water in the quar. Quar means ಬತ್ತಳಿಕೆ. ಹಿಂಸೆಯ ಬಾಣಗಳನ್ನು ಇಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಬತ್ತಳಿಕೆ. So, of quenching the thirst first before taking water in the quar for his brothers. But no sooner did he dip his hand, he was not wasted time because he was very thirsty. Immediately he knelt on the knees and bring the water in his hands and knelt down his knees and take the water. Immediately heard a voice. His brother, but no sooner did he dip his hand in the transparent water when he heard a voice. Which said, which voice or which said, stop, Nakula, stop, do not drink the water. Do not drink the water. This pool belongs to me. Oh, son of Madri, answer my question first. First answer my question and then drink the water. Some directions, other directions, the bodiless voice are unknown body. Voice is here or say, oh Nakala, don't drink the water. Oh son of Madri, don't drink the water because this pool is mine. If you drink the water, then answer my questions first after the drink. If you disobey my order, you face more difficult situations. Because you tell me, answer my question first and then drink the water. You do not disobey my order. Follow my order. Stop, Nakala. Do not drink the water. This pool belongs to me. Oh, son of Madri, answer my questions and then drink the water. Nakala was surprised. When he heard a voice. That voice said, oh son of Madri, do not drink the water because this pool is mine. This voice said to him or listened to him when he was surprised. But carried away by his instant thirst. Nakula was surprised, but carried away by his instant of thirst and heedless of the warning. Because Nakula was a very terrible thirst. He could not be able to otherwise or other orders. First he was cure his thirst, because he was immediately drink the water and disobey the extra order. But carried away by instincts of thirst and heedless of the warning, he knelt down and began to drink the water. He knelt down. Began to drink the water. At the time, at once, he began to feel terrible drowsy. Drowsy means sleepy. Drowsy. Sleep. At once, when he was drinking the water at the time, immediately he began to feel terrible drowsy, and he fell down. To all appearance right, Nakula, when he was a very terrible thirst, and he was very tired, he went to near the food and saw the water and saw the transparent water. When he was very happy, but he cannot control his feeling of drinking the water. At the same time, he was hearing a voice, that the unknown voice, which said, "O son of Matri, do not drink the water, because this pool is mine. If you drink the water, first answer my questions." But at that time, Nakula was very terrible thirst, because he was disobey for his order or bodiless order. Immediately he knelt down the earth and bring the transparent water and then drink. Suddenly he was very sleepy, and all appearance died on the bank of foam. And Nakula did not return for a long time. And another side, the other four Pandavas were waiting for Nakula. But Nakula did not return for a long time. Immediately, the elder brother of the Pandavas said to the Sahadeva, two ghosts what the matter was, two ghosts, and and see what the matter was, because Nakula was going to long to him, but he did not return. Because you go now, and you go now, what the matter was? Or otherwise, Nakula met with an any dangerous to see and search, come again. When Nakula did not return for a long time, Yudhishthira sent to Sadeva to see what the matter was. Sadeva also ignored the warning. Same, Sadeva is also following the same to Nakula. Because Sadeva also very terrible thirst and tired. She think, first I drink the water and cure my thirst and tired. After the search to death my brother, Nakula. The Nakula, Sadeva was thought to himself. Nakula thought to himself, when Sadeva to reach near the pool, and he saw the Nakula was died on the bank of the pool. But he has followed by the Nakula, because he was a very terrible thirst and he was filled to drinking the water and cure his thirst and tired, because immediately he goes to the near the pool and take the water again. That voice was here to him. O son of Madri, do not drink the water. This pool belongs to me. If you drink the water, first answer my questions. Then disobey my order to you as followed your brothers of Nakula. Don't disobey my order. First answer my questions and then drink. But Sadeva was ignored. Sadeva also ignored the warning of the voice and then drink. He has been followed by this Sadeva. He drank the water and at once dropped down when Sadeva to failed to return. Sadeva also did not return for a long time. Yudhishthira sent to his brother of Nakula. Nakula did not return for a long time. And again Yudhishthira sent to Sadeva. Sadeva also followed to the Nakula. Those who are died appearance on the bank of the river, on the bank of the water plant. But those brothers, two brothers, are not a return. The Yudhishthira was surprised to send to Arjuna what the matter was, or our brother had met with any dangers, to see what the matter. Yudhishthira sent to Arjuna. Yudhishthira sent to Arjuna to see whether the brother had met with any danger. Arjuna went sickly immediately when the Yudhishthira ordered to Arjuna, first you go and see what the matter was. Our brother had met with any dangers, because he was failed to return. Dear brother Arjuna, you see what the matter was. All our brother had met with any danger. First you go search and to come with our brothers. Yudhishthira sent to Arjuna to search to see whether the brother had met with any danger. Arjuna went quickly, immediately he went. He saw his brothers lying, died near the pool. Immediately, Arjuna went to near the pool, and he saw the two brothers, those who are lying, dying near the pool. But he was shocked. Immediately he was shocked, because our great brothers, our great heroes of the Pandavas was lying, dying near the pool. What the matter was? Who are killing them? Who are killing them? To raise a question to himself, to Arjuna, and find out the answer. But he was failed, because he was already very well thirst and very tired. First he